Now today we are going to learn about the rules of differential calculus. Now before going to the topic, we should remember the formulas before we already did. Formulas are ddx of x to the power n equals to nx and minus 1, ddx of x equals to 1. Now ddx of e to the power x ddx of cy c dy by dx ddx of log x 1 by x ddx of sin x cos x ddx of cos x minus sin x ddx of tan x is sec square x. Now ddx of cot x is minus cosec square x ddx of sec x tan x ddx of cosec x equals to minus cosec x cot x. So these are the formula we have already done. Now today's topic is the rules of differentiation. So what are the rules of differentiation? So rules of differential calculus. Calculus or differentiation. Differential calculus or differentiation is same. Differentiation. Okay. Now number one rule is product rule. Okay. Product rule. Suppose y equals to u into v. Now in product rule, the function is the product of two or more function. Function is the product of two or more function is the product. This is product function. Product from function y equals to uv means there are two functions. U is one function and v is another function. So this is first function. And this is second function. Now how to differentiate the product? So dy by dx equals to, first we have to write 1 for first function, differentiation of second function, plus second function, differentiation of first function. Okay. Now in terms of uv, so dy by dx equals to, first function is u and differentiation of v, second function is v, plus v is the second function. Now differentiate the first function. Now this is the formula for product rule. Now let's take one example for product rule. In product rule, there is a product function. How will you obtain product function? By multiplying two or more function, we will get product function. So example, if y equals to sin x into cos x. Now find dy by dx. So it is a product function. Why it is a product? Because it is a multiple of two function. It is a multiple of two function, that's why this function is product function. Now in solution, first y equals to sin x into cos x. Now this is the first function and this is second function. Now applying product rule, dy by dx equals to first function is sin x. Now differentiation of cos x plus second function cos x differentiation of sin x. Okay. Now sin x is sin x. Now what is the differentiation of cos x? It is minus sin x. Now see the formula. Follow the formulas. Cos x is cos x. Now what is the differentiation? ddx of sin x is cos x. After that multiply. Sin x into sin x is sin square x. Because but plus into minus is minus. Here is a minus sign. Because plus minus minus plus cos x into cos x is cos square x. So we can write cos square x minus sin square x. Now this is the answer. Now it is example number 1 of product rule. Now take next example. Question number 2. If y equals to log x cos x, find dy by dx. First we have to take the given function log x into cos x. Now differentiate this dy by dx. Now what is product rule? This is first function and this is second function. This equals to first function is log x ddx of differentiation of cos x plus second function is cos x differentiation of log x. Now it is first function, this is second function. Now differentiation process is first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. So log x is log x. What is the differentiation of cos x? It is minus sin x plus cos x is cos x. What is the differentiation of log x? It is 1 by x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So this equals to log x plus into minus minus log x sin x plus this is cos x into 1 is cos x divided by x. Now this is the answer. Now take another example for product rule. This is example number 2. Now we are going to example number 3. So example number 3. Example number 3 is equation 3. If y equals to root x into 3x square plus 1, find dy by dx. In solution, first we have to take the given function root x into 3x square plus 1. Now apply the rule. This is first function and this whole quantity is the second function. So dy by dx is equals to first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. Okay, now root x is root x, root x is root x. Now differentiate. Now multiply this differential coefficient with this and this. Now 3 is the constant coefficient, 3 take outside, ddx of x square plus again ddx of 1, differentiation of 1, now plus here is 3x square plus 1. Now what is the differentiation of root x? We have already learned. Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x, 1 by 2 root under x. So this equals to root under x inside the bracket. This is 3. Now what is the differentiation of x square? We have to apply this formula ddx of x to the power n. This equals to nx n minus 1. This formula. So what is the differentiation of x square? Is 2x 2 minus 1. Now what is the differentiation of 1? 1 is the constant. 1 is constant. So what is the differentiation of 1? Is 0, because 1 is the constant. C is any real number. So differentiation of 1 is 0 plus 3x square plus 1 divided by is equals to 3x square plus 1 into 3x square plus 1 into 1 is this same number, then divided by 2 root x and root under x into this is 3 to 6, 6x is 6x, only 6x, because 2 minus 1 is 1, 6x plus 0 is 6x plus 3x square plus 1 divided by 2 root under x. Okay, now 6x into root under x plus 3x square plus 1 divided by 2 root under x. Now this is the answer. Now next. Okay, now next example. Now next example is if y equals to 10x into sin x square, find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Okay. In solution, first we have to write the given function 10x into sin x square. So dy by dx. Dy by dx equals to, now this is first function and this is second function. First function and second function. Take first function, so 10x ddx of sin x square plus, now this is second function sin x square, now ddx of differentiation of 10x. Okay, after that this is 10x into, what is the differentiation of sin x? Now it is x square, we have to assume this is x first. So what is the differentiation of sin x? This is cos x, but it is not x, it is x square. We have to again differentiate x square. So ddx of x square plus, what is the differentiation? No, it is sin x square. Now what is the differentiation of tan x? It is sec square x. Sec square x. So tan x into cos x square. So ddx of x square is 2x to the power 2 minus 1, because x to the power n, differentiation of x to the power n is nx n minus 1. So plus sin x square into sec square x. So this equals to tan x, this is 2x. 2x tan x into cos x square plus this is sin x square into sec square x. This is the answer. Okay, these are the questions based on product rule. Okay, now next rule is quotient rule or divide rule. Quotient rule or divide rule. Quotient rule slash divide rule. Divide rule. Okay. So quotient rule is, suppose y equals to u by v. Quotient product, quotient function. It is quotient function. Suppose one function is divided by, if one function is divided by another function, then the function is said to be quotient function. Then the function is said to be quotient function. It is a division. It is a division form. This form is division form. So u by v. So in this case, the formula will be dy by dx equals to denominator. V is denominator. V differentiation of u numerator minus u differentiation of v divided by denominator square. So u is the numerator and v is the denominator. Now we have to do denominator differentiation of numerator minus numerator differentiation of denominator divided by denominator square. Now let's take one example. If y equals to sin x by cos x, find dy by dx. This is example number 1 of quotient rule. So in solution, first we have to write the given function, that is quotient function sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x. So y equals to, now compare this function with this formula. Compare this function with this formula. So it is quotient function because one function is divided by another function. One function is divided by another function. So that's why it is quotient function. So dy by dx equals to, now this is u and this is v. So what is the differentiation? First we have to write cos x. Denominator differentiation of numerator minus numerator differentiation of denominator, cos x divided by denominator square, cos x whole square. So this equals to, so cos x is cos x. What is the differentiation of sin x? It is cos x. So minus sin x. What is the differentiation of cos x? It is minus sin x. Now see the formula. You have to remember all the formulas. Cos x whole square means cos square x. So this equals to cos x into cos x is cos square x. Minus into minus is plus. This is sin square x divided by cos square x. Okay, now we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. This equals to 1 by cos square x, because cos square x plus sin square x equals to 1. Now this equals to 1 by cos is sec. 1 by cos x is sec x. Why sec x? Because reciprocal of cos is sec. Reciprocal of cos is sec. So that's why 1 by cos square is sec square x, because 1 by cos x equals to sec x. Now this is the answer. Okay, we will continue in next class. Thank you.